Happy New Year, YouTube. So this video is going to be all over the place. So we are going to install a chip that I got from Hypertech for the throttle body injection 704 for the 91 Firebird. I have to drive the car completely until empty because it had 87 before, no, 89 octane. Now I'm putting 93, and that's what the chip is tuned for 93. As you know, I just replaced the fan switch unit on the car, and as I'm unplugging the pigtail, it completely disintegrated. So I should have ordered that because I've seen so many videos when they're changing it, and the pigtail is so fragile that it disintegrates every single time, because of course this thing is like 1991, over 30 years old. All right, so let me show you what I've done so far. So here's the computer. You don't have to remove this panel, the front panel that goes obviously over here, right? No, you don't have to remove that one, but I was doing from memory, and actually all you have to do is remove the kick panel, which is over here, right? You have to remove that kick panel. It's a 7 millimeters. All right, and then you take the computer down, which is right here. It goes right underneath there, right on that hole, right here. So you take the computer down, and what we need to do is take it out of here, but these are 5 millimeters bolt, so I have to get a 5 millimeter thing, and then we pull it out and we put in the Hypertech chip that is right there, right? It's in there. So here's the thing: you need to disconnect the battery first before you do anything electronic. All right, so let's go get the 5 millimeter dice and open it up. All right, so this were not 5 millimeters like the video said. This is a 1/4 of an inch, so that's why it took forever. So now that we have it open, we got to take this thing with the tap down and then put the other one in. So now that one is out. All right, let's put the other one in. All right, the tab facing towards the barcode. Okay, we put the computer back up, right? Those 2 bolts right there. Now we're gonna connect the battery and turn it on before I finish putting everything back together, just to make sure that it's good to go. I just wanted to connect the computer and make sure there's no vibration, nothing is moving, before we seal everything up. All right, the moment of truth. Hopefully everything is good. Okay, it turns on. All right, so far it's connecting. Actually sounds way better. I'm gonna let it come to temperature, and I'm gonna start buttoning up, and then we're gonna take it to a test drive. Usually it's gonna take a little bit before everything gets analyzed and adjusted. So the good thing is when you unplug your battery and reset everything for like 10 minutes, it deletes all the stuff, trouble codes and all that. I now have a code because my EGR valve is dirty and malfunctioning now. Again, 30-year-old car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna order one today and replace it, just to make sure. I like to keep all the EGR stuff in case I sell the car. I am so tempted to cut the bumper just to put my old scanner in here, but then I don't want to sell it with my scanner if I sell this car. Like I said, I bought this car to sell it, and now we already did everything on the car to fix it. So other than that freaking, what you call that, the heater core. So wow, it sounds different too. It sounds a lot better. So, but that might be the placebo effect. Anyways, We're gonna button it up, and then we're gonna do a quick test drive. All right, very windy day. Let's see if I can make it smaller. There we go. So we button everything back. We put the instructions right back there. Sorry about that. Every time that my thing connects to the radio. Oh, and here's the thing that I was telling you from Amazon, that I put a Bluetooth in my 99 Trans Am stereo with the Trans Am, because my 82 Trans Am, for some reason, the speakers were not working, which I'll fix that later. But let's take it for a ride and see how that works. Sorry about that. Tell you, I need to get me one of those cameras to film, to hold it while I'm filming. I don't know if it feels more power. I feel the engine a lot smoother, but then again, I don't know if it was still remnants of what you call that, of 87 octane on the car. 87, I keep saying 87, 89 because I was putting 89, but the idle is good, the car is at temperature, everything seems all right. Just want to make sure to see how it does once I punch it. This shouldn't be like when I tuned the Mustang, which it took about a couple of minutes before the tune takes on, you know what I mean? So the car's been running for about 5 minutes. I'm hoping that I'm pretty sure that it maybe has something in the lines a little bit left of the 89, so it'll take a little bit. Once I complete 89 is out of the tank, I should have waited to do 2 full tanks of 93, but we'll see. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is you hear the wind noise? That's the problem with this car. I need to figure it out. I think it's coming from somewhere on top of the T-tops, but the acceleration is pretty good. It switches very smooth on the transmission. No hesitation at all. All right, so far so good. Oh yeah, you can feel it. It's not a big push in the pants, because again, it's a old 305, still everything's stock. I still got to do the suspension on this car. We still got to do subframe connectors and other stuff, but I don't know, I might have a hard time selling this one. All right, talk to you guys later.